Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly iconic for all muscle car enthusiasts, a real gem from the golden era of American performance, the 1970 Dodge Challenger, and this one is in a stunning, eye-catching purple. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether you're a classic car collector, a muscle car fan, or just love jaw-dropping design, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we'll dive deep into every aspect of this legendary machine, from its exterior and interior to performance and even pricing, so you'll know exactly why the Dodge Challenger has become an enduring classic. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior because honestly, this is where the Challenger grabs attention immediately. The 1970 Dodge Challenger was designed to compete with the likes of the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro, and it does so with style and presence. Standing in front of this purple beauty, the first thing you notice is the long, aggressive hood paired with the wide, muscular fenders. The lines are clean yet powerful, giving the car a commanding presence that screams, muscle car. The front grille is classic Dodge, simple, rectangular, and bold, with the Challenger emblem subtly placed to the side. This particular purple color adds a modern twist to the vintage design. It's vibrant but not overpowering, and the glossy finish really enhances the car's curves. Let's talk wheels for a second. The original Challenger often came with 14-inch wheels, but many restored models, including this one, feature larger mag wheels that complement the stance perfectly. One of the standout features is the rear. The tail lights stretch across the back, framed in chrome, with the signature Dodge dual exhaust peeking out underneath. And of course, the classic rear spoiler adds just the right amount of sporty flair. Overall, the exterior of this 1970 Dodge Challenger is a perfect combination of elegance and aggression, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Interior. Stepping inside, the interior is a perfect reflection of 1970s American automotive design, simple, functional, yet full of character. The dashboard is straightforward, featuring round analog gauges for speed, RPM, fuel, and oil pressure, classic and nostalgic. The steering wheel is a large, thin-rimmed design, giving you that old-school muscle car feel. Many restored Challengers, like this one, have modern touches like a subtle upgrade to the stereo system or air conditioning, but nothing overpowers the classic vibe. One interesting feature of the interior is the center console with shifter placement, especially in models with the manual transmission. It gives the driving experience a sense of control and connection that modern cars often lack. Every detail, from the door panels to the dashboard trim, reflects the craftsmanship of that era, making it more than just a ride, it's a piece of automotive history you can sit in and experience firsthand. The seats are upholstered in a combination of vinyl and leather, with bold stitching that matches the car's energetic personality. Space-wise, it's surprisingly roomy for a classic muscle car, with comfortable bucket seats up front and a decent rear bench that can actually fit adults for short trips. Performance. Now, let's get to what truly makes a muscle car, the performance. The 1970 Dodge Challenger came with a variety of engine options, ranging from the smaller 225 slant 6 to the legendary 426 HEMI V8. This particular model has the 383 Magnum V8, which is a sweet spot for power, reliability, and that unmistakable muscle car sound. Under the hood, this engine produces around 335 horsepower and 425 lb-ft of torque, which is more than enough to make this car feel explosive on the road. The acceleration is thrilling, you can feel the raw power as you press the gas, and the engine note is music to any car enthusiast's ears. Pair that with the classic rear-wheel drive layout, and you have a car that's not just fast in a straight line, but engaging and fun to drive. The suspension is firm, as you'd expect from a muscle car of this era, giving it that vintage road feel. Handling isn't modern sports car sharp, but that's part of the charm. The steering is direct, and the braking system, while not ABS equipped, is effective enough for spirited drives. Driving this purple 1970 Dodge Challenger isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about experiencing the thrill of the golden muscle car era firsthand. Pricing and value. So, how much does a classic like this cost today? Well, the price can vary widely depending on condition, originality, and rarity. A restored 1970 Dodge Challenger in excellent condition, like this purple beauty, can range anywhere from $70,000 to over $120,000, especially if it features the desirable engine options or unique trims. What's amazing is that unlike many modern cars, a well-maintained Challenger can appreciate in value over time. Collectors love these cars because they are iconic, rare, and simply a joy to own. And let's be honest, the emotional value of driving a car like this is priceless. Owning a 1970 Dodge Challenger isn't just about transportation, it's about holding a piece of automotive history in your garage, one that will turn heads for generations to come. So, to wrap things up, the 1970 Dodge Challenger in this bold purple color is more than just a classic muscle car, it's an experience. The exterior design is aggressive yet timeless, the interior blends classic comfort with functional design, and the performance delivers that raw, thrilling power that muscle cars are famous for. Coupled with its collectible value, it's easy to see why the Dodge Challenger remains one of the most revered names in American automotive history. If you're a car enthusiast, this is a must-have classic. And even if you're not a collector, seeing one on the road is a treat, it's impossible not to admire. From cruising down the street to revving that engine at a car meet, the 1970 Dodge Challenger continues to embody everything that makes classic muscle cars legendary. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 1970 Dodge Challenger. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more classic car reviews like this. And drop a comment below, what's your dream classic muscle car? Maybe we'll feature it in the next video.